Hello friends! We are doing something a little different and exciting today. We are doing an unboxing of the DJI Pocket 2. I've actually been eyeing this because I'm cheap and bought a cheap gimbal that keeps dying on me. So finally it was time to splurge for a camera with a gimbal. Hey, it's dented. Comes with a pet. Remote. A wide angle lens. A little USB-C. All these tiny parts. This is for the iPhone. Silica gel. Aha. A little lanyard. And a little USB with the USB-C transfer cable. This is the manual and how to use it. Some stickers. Little things here so you can see. A do-it-all handle. Microphone. Little tripod screw-in thingy. And the cutest little tripod. So cute! came off. They really have it in there. Nice and secure. So secure I can't get it out. Ta-da! Let's put this back on. This is where the controls go into, the little tripod thingy. And the handle has places for your frame, or your wide angle lens, and your little remote things. Put them in here. Something like that. Okay, figured it out. Like that. And like that. I would think the conductors would be down there. And the lens goes right there. That's how we keep them. And this is in Chinese, so I can't really read it. Hold on. Okay, it says remove before powering on. There's English actually in there. Boop. And tape. Nope, it's stuck in my hand. And it's saying hello. Oh. Ta-da! Just making sure there's nothing left in the box. Nope, nothing. Just foam. Ta-da! And this is what the carrying case looks like, locked and loaded with all the accessories. Even the tripod and the mic can be attached. It's pretty compact and ready to go. Stay tuned for future content using the DJI Pocket 2 in action. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or hot tips on how the Osmo Pocket 2 performs. And as always, don't forget to give that subscribe button a little boop, and let's get to 100 and hit that like button to cheer on the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.